Thinking of selling your house? Wait, hold that hammer. Some repairs boost your sales price, but most just drain your budget and add stress. I am Gemma Leggett, real estate broker with Remax Hallmark York Group, and today I'm going to help you avoid one of the most expensive mistakes home seller makes: fixing the wrong things before listing. Some updates add real value. Others just eat your budget alive and don't raise your sale price at all. Before we dive in, if you like smart real estate tips and want to sell your property for top dollar, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a tip. Okay, so first, let me take you back to the time I sold my first house. I convinced my ex to do some light updates: new counters, fresh paint, rip up the carpet, and few small renovations. Total cost about $15,000. Total chaos off the chart. Our baby was in full teething mode. Our toddler was running around like a sugar-fueled zombie, and our contractor literally lost a finger cutting flooring in the garage. It was a full-on horror scene. He's okay now. He even jokes that the house took a little piece of him. But here's the twist. Those small targeted updates worked. The house sold for over $50,000 more without touching the kitchen or installing a spa bathroom. The takeaway? You don't need perfection. You need presentation. Some fixes are smart. Some add real values. Others just cause stress, cost money, and sometimes leave someone short a finger. Now, here are the top 5 projects that drain your wallet and don't help your sale at all. 1, the full basement renovation. Unless it's already half done, don't start. Buyers want to customize basements themselves. You're selling square footage, not their dream bar and theater. 2, the garage upgrades. Fix the door if it's broken, but skip the epoxy floors, built-in cabinets, or car lifts. Buyers want a clean space for storage, not a luxury garage showroom. Number 3, the partial remodels. You know the look: new vanity with the 19s old tile, quartz counters sitting on cabinets that have seen 4 decades and 5 paint jobs, laminate in the dining, hardwood in the living, vinyl in the kitchen, and 3 different carpets in the bedrooms. It's chaos. These half-finished upgrades don't help. They actually make the rest of the space look worse. Buyers see the mismatch, get overwhelmed, and start mentally subtracting from your asking price. 4, the high-end custom features: Italian marble backsplash, important French oak floors, smart mirrors that talk back, or crystal chandeliers over the bathtub may match your taste, but buyers likely won't pay extra for them. And 5, luxury landscaping or outdoor kitchens. Mow the lawn, plant flowers, but do not build a pizza oven or pergola. Rule of thumb: if it is expensive or highly personal, skip it. Now, let's talk about upgrades that truly help you sell faster. 1, minor repairs. Fix drips, tighten handles, straighten doors, change bulbs, patch holes. Buyer notice everything. Number 2, get a coat of fresh paint. Neutral tones like soft white or warm grays make the room feel bigger, cleaner, and more welcoming. Please skip bold colors. Your goal is a blank canvas. Remember, you're moving out. This is not for your taste. Number 3, declutter and deep clean. This is still the number 1 highest return on investment that you can ever do. It costs next to nothing and it works every time. Clear all countertops. Organize your closets. Donate everything that's not going to move with you, and think model home, not lived in chaos. Number 4, kitchen and bathroom touch-ups. No need for a marble waterfall island or gold swan faucets. Just regrout the tile, update hardware, Swap out that grandma lights fixtures for simple modern ones and refresh the caulking. Then throw in fresh towels, a cute soap dispenser, maybe a plant, and boom, here is your spa vibes on budget. 5, refresh your floors. Carpet, laminate, hardwood. If they're clean, safe, and not begging for mercy, leave them. Steam carpets, polish hardwood, patch obvious damage, but don't put new floors in just in one room. That's like showing up to Halloween half in a princess dress and half in Spider-Man costume. Totally confusing and nobody knows what to make of it. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the big stuff. Those deal breaker repairs that can kill your cell if you don't fix them first. I'm talking about leaky roof or missing shingles, broken windows or drafty seals, mold, even small patch, major plumbing or electrical issues, safety hazard like loose railing or tripping risks. These aren't cosmetic. They show up on inspections and can tank your sale or your price. And finally, one of the smartest things you can do before listing is a pre-listing home inspection. Think of it like proofreading an email before you hit send. You might catch a few things that could have caused major regrets. It helps you identify serious issues before the buyer's inspector shows up. Not everything needs fixing, but knowing ahead gives you control and prevents last-minute surprises that could cost thousands or kill your sale. Selling your home isn't about perfection. It's about presentation. You don't need a magazine-worthy renovation. You need a clean, well-maintained, buyer-friendly home. So before the money pit traps swallow your budget, ask yourself, is this making my house more valuable or just more saleable? If you're selling anywhere in York Region or Simcoe County, let's get you top dollars without the budget drama. And hey, if you know someone thinking of buying or selling, send them my way. Referrals are my love language, and I'll treat them like family, the kind you actually like. If this helps, hit subscribe, drop a comment with your best reno disaster story, and share it with friends who needs to hear this before picking a sledgehammer. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart sellers don't overspend. They call me.